Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. This is your chef Vicky Ratnani, and along with your favorite top chefs, we are bringing you fantastic recipes for every school day. Your child deserves a really nice treat at the end of the school week. So we are making a nice, sweet and very tasty dessert called Mango Delight. So let me show you how to create Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. So in a nice pan, dry roast some whole wheat flour for about 5 to 6 minutes until it gets a very light brown color. Next, add your cardamom powder. Next, add some milk. Along with a little bit of water. And slowly whisk until you get it's nice and thick. Now let's add some Kissan Mango Jam to give you that lovely real taste of mango. Beautiful. And continue whisking. Add a few fresh fruits inside. Any fresh seasonal fruit will do. I'm adding a few pears and a bit of grape. Now transfer this mixture into a nice tray and let it set until it's nice and chilled and set. Sprinkle the leftover fruit on the top. Lovely. And set it in a fridge. So we're having some nice, lovely, unsalted walnuts, some mixed sprouts, so there's a lot of protein and energy for your child, and finally, our Mango Delight. If you love this recipe, do subscribe to India Food Network. I'm going to be back with some amazing recipes so that you can have Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. See you soon.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.